Hey future behavior analysts, ever wondered how you'll collect data efficiently? It involves a captivating process of sampling procedures that assist in the collection of valuable insights about behavior. Let's dive into this realm and comprehend the two core sampling procedures: interval recording and time sampling. Interval recording is a method you'll use often, where the observation period is divided into a series of equal time intervals. The behavior of interest is then observed to see if it occurs or does not occur within each interval. This technique provides an estimate of the proportion of time during which the behavior occurs. Two prominent methods under interval recording are whole interval recording and partial interval recording. Whole interval recording is where you, as an observer, record whether the behavior occurs throughout the entire interval. If the behavior is consistent throughout the interval, it is scored as a yes. However, if the behavior is absent or only partially present, it is scored as a no. It's noteworthy that whole interval recording can underestimate the occurrence of behavior if it is brief or sporadic. On the other hand, partial interval recording involves you recording whether the behavior occurs at any point during the interval. If the behavior is observed at least once during the interval, it is scored as a yes. This method can overestimate the occurrence of behavior if it is frequent or continuous. In contrast to interval recording, there's time sampling, another method you'll be using. This procedure involves dividing the observation period into a series of non-overlapping time intervals. The behavior is then recorded whether it is occurring at the end of interval. This provides an estimate of the presence or absence of behavior at specific time. Two common time sampling methods are momentary time sampling and partial momentary time sampling. Momentary time sampling is where you, as an observer, record whether the behavior is occurring at the end of each interval. If the behavior is observed at that specific moment, it is scored as a yes. This method is useful for assessing the overall occurrence of behavior during an observation period. On the flip side, partial momentary time sampling involves you recording whether the behavior is occurring at any point during each interval. If the behavior is noticed at any time within the interval, it is marked as a yes. This method is beneficial for capturing brief or sporadic behaviors. In conclusion, these sampling strategies will allow you, future behavior analysts, to efficiently collect data while still obtaining meaningful insights into the occurrence and patterns of behavior. The choice of sampling strategy ultimately depends on the characteristics of the behavior being observed and the goals of the research or assessment. Grasping these procedures is indispensable to the field of behavior analysis, and their effective implementation can significantly boost the quality and validity of data collected.